Hey guys, welcome back. So the wig that I will be using in today's video is from ChinaLaceWig. As you can see, the packaging is really nice. It's 100% human hair, and evidently you should love your wig so much that you won't have a reason to return it. This company also ships their wigs pretty fast. Also, if you turn on the back of the packaging, it comes with hair care instructions and some of your favorite YouTubers. Hopefully one day your girl can be featured on the back of it. So the wig comes placed in this little black satin bag that has ChinaLaceWig on it. Really nice touch. I really like when companies send their hair in these satin bags, because I also like to store my wigs or my hair in the satin bags as well instead of having it in the plastic. As you can see, the wig comes very well packaged. So this is pretty much the wig in the plastic bag. Now, this is a 360 lace frontal wig. It is Brazilian hair on this wig, and it pretty much comes with your standard combs. 2 combs on the temple, 1 comb on the crown, 1 comb in the back, and then of course it comes with your elastic band. You get about 4 inches of parting space on this lace frontal, which is pretty much standard. The baby hairs is pre-plucked. Nothing has been bleached yet, so I wanted to show you guys how the hair looks in its natural state. So the first step to a wig transformation is the hairline. So you want to make sure you focus on the hairline. Now, only thing I'm going to do right here is pluck the hairline just a little bit. For this particular wig, I'm not going to do any baby hair, so I really don't have to go in and be too precise. I'm not going to bleach the frontal. I'm just going to add foundation to the lace. This is a really quick, easy alternative to bleaching your knots. I have a full tutorial. If you guys want to check it out, it will be below. I definitely suggest that you check it out, because it's easy, it's simple, and it's quick. So after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pluck the hairline. Now, I do prefer to do this when the hair is wet, but in this video I did not do it because I went on ahead and added the powder to the hairline, and it's just going to be a mess if I try to wet this hair while it has foundation on it. So definitely make sure you wet the hair first before plucking, because it is going to make a huge difference with how quick you can pluck that hairline. Of course, all 360 wigs are way too big for my head, so I do have to cut the ear tabs off just to get it to lay down properly. And I only applied the Got To Be Glued gel to my sideburns or my edges instead of my entire head. So here is the parting space with just only using the foundation powder, and as you can see, it looks just like I bleached my knots. So I'm just going to start off with styling the hair using some Frizz Ease mousse. This just helps with the flyaways, and it's going to also help me get that sleek bun look that I'm going for. Now, because I do not have this wig secured all the way around, I'm going to be using a head scarf to tie around my head so that I can get my ponytails to look, or my buns to look, the exact way I want them to look. I would highly suggest that you use a head scarf anytime you are doing any type of updo styles, just because it makes it a lot easier when it comes to getting the perfect ponytail look or bun look or whatever type of look you're going for that requires some sort of updo. Also make sure the wig is intact, so definitely use a headscarf when you're styling your hair. So for this particular style, I had to use a couple of bobby pins to secure the bun down just because it was falling. I believe it was just too heavy for the style. Okay, now because this is not a full lace wig, you definitely will be able to see tracks through your wig, but make sure your lace is not showing like how it was showing on the back of my head in this video. So definitely before you go out the house, make sure you look at the back of your head just to make sure it's okay. So I'm just going to speed up the video and stop talking, and I think the rest of the styles that I'm going for is pretty much self-explanatory. Everything that I used in this video will be in the description section, as well as how to purchase this wig if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and supporting me. I will be back with more hair videos, and as you can see, the video quality has changed a lot, so we're gonna really get our life, okay?